They say you see your life flash before your eyes. That you see a light. That you move toward it. But you don't. You see your story, beginning and middle as they were written. In the end, as it comes. And when you've told it, then you can go home. Then you can rest. Then your real work is done. I'm Catherine Wolfe Donahue, and I'm telling you now. These Shining Lives is a play based on a true story about the Radium Girls, and it's 4 women living in the 1920s working at the Radium Dial Company, and they're painting watches for a living and making them glow in the dark.
It was the job of the century, the job of our dreams.
By 1922, it moved to Ottawa, Illinois, where more than 1,000 women worked during the next 11 years.
And over a course of years working at the radium factory, we all begin to get sick, very, very ill, unbeknownst for the longest time that it was the radium.
And we go to several doctors who they keep up this facade that the radium is healthy for us and has all these wonderful health benefits.
The company that they worked for at the time was like, no, it could never be the radium. It's too good. The radium's amazing. It cures everything.
Enough, girls, okay? Enough. We all know we feel awful about this whole mess. We can keep whining, or we can actually do something.
Like what?
But we finally go to one doctor who's actually brave enough to tell the truth to us. Maybe we should make a little noise.
You're suggesting
Put up a bit of a fight. God knows we've earned it. We see a lawyer who really helps us go to trial and take on the Radium Dial Company, and this is kind of that story of that.
It's either you're gonna let things be that way or you're gonna do something about them. And with the story, hopefully it shows that doing something about it is always the positive way of looking out for things. And
it's important that we don't play them as victims. It's about the strength that pushed them through everything so that they could make change. These women were so strong. They broke the mold.
They truly are just 4 women who wanted to work and wanted to make a living.
They fought so hard to be able to have the rights that we are still fighting for to this day.
I would hope that the audience would get inspired by Catherine, Pearl, Frances, and Charlotte's story to take it upon themselves to make change for the better.